Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the sum of this one. So now I will show you the answer. If we look carefully about this one, then we have number 2, 4, 6, 98, 100. So we can write about the summation in here. They will start from number 1 and they will stop at n equal to 50. So because we will create 2n minus 1 multiply with 2n, because they start in the even number and they reduce 1 unit for behind them. That's why you got about 2n minus 1. 2n multiply with 2n and number 1. Next, we can put the summation next to n squared and n. We have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square until n to the power of 2, that is equals to n plus 1 2n plus 1 over 6. Similar for n, we got about the sum from 1 plus 2 plus 3 until n equals to n multiplied with n plus 1 over number 2. So we will apply this formula in here. So n in this situation you got about 50. I will put this one go in here and we change for 50. This one we change for this one. And we got the final answer. That is about 169,150. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.